Welcome and join us as we explore the streets of the French Quarter in New Orleans, Louisiana. Pass by the impressive and unique architecture, rich history, and some very haunted buildings. Welcome to Travel with the Hales, where curiosity, exploring, and travel all meet together. The La Laurie Mansion, the most haunted house in New Orleans. It was once owned by Nicolas Cage, and now you can buy it for a mere $10.25 million. Would you? Most believe this home is cursed. No trip is complete to the French Quarter without visiting the world-famous open-air coffee shop, Café du Monde. Don't forget to have your beignets and your hickory coffee. I promise you, your blood sugar is going to skyrocket through the roof. Next up, we're going to visit the old Ursuline convent, which was completed in 1752. The nuns remained there until 1824, using their site as a convent, orphanage, and school for girls. They say vampires are entombed within the sealed attic of this convent. The site was briefly used as a meeting place for the Louisiana legislature and then for decades as a residence of the archbishops of New Orleans. One of the most underrated aspects of the French Quarter is the stunning architecture. Take a closer look and you'll notice each building has its own unique character, ornate ironwork, colorful shutters, and balconies that seem to lean in if it was sharing a secret. And then there are the hidden courtyards tucked away behind the stone walls where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the streets. Beyond its physical beauty, the French Quarter is also steeped in history, from its earliest days of French colonization to the Jazz Age of the 1920s. This neighborhood has played host to some of the most pivotal moments in American history. And yet, despite all the changes it's undergone over the years, the Quarter still remains a sense of originality, a sense of being true cultural melting pot. Jackson Square is an historic park located in the heart of the French Quarter. It was named in honor of Andrew Jackson, the hero of the Battle of New Orleans. St. Louis Cathedral, New Orleans. It is an historic Catholic cathedral located in the heart of the French Quarter. It is the oldest cathedral in continuous use in the United States. The church was built on site in 1718, and the current structure was completed in the 1850s. You would be doing New Orleans injustice if you didn't go and visit Bourbon Street. It's legendary for its vibrant nightlife and rich history. Stretching through the heart of the French Quarter, it's famous for its neon lights, live music, plethora of bars and clubs, and let me tell you, anything goes. The French Quarter, it's more than just a neighborhood, it's a state of mind. Make sure you watch our other videos on the National World War II Museum and the swamps in New Orleans. I will link them below in the description. Thank you so very much for watching Travel with the Hales. We would be extremely honored if you would like, comment, and share our videos.